Hey everybody, so we're going to look at ChatGPT to Dynamo, and this is pretty exciting, I think, because they just released some functionality to where you can upload images to ChatGPT. And I came up with an idea to do a recording where I talked about using Draw.io and using the text of Draw.io, so like the actual file format text. And then I also looked at testing stuff with Dynamo as well. So using the text from Dynamo, like the DYN, but with now being able to upload images means that we can take snippets of the Draw.io, and just pull it directly into ChatGPT and then create a really cool automation. And if you aren't familiar with Draw.io, it's just like a kind of a flowchart development tool, and or at least that's how I use it. It has a lot of other uses as well, but it's a free open source tool. Um, but yeah, the idea is like anybody can do this. Anybody can map out these little nodes, and then take it into ChatGPT and create a really useful, helpful automation for their projects and Revit or whatever the tool is. So before jumping into the image and ChatGPT and Dynamo stuff, I did want to show this is um, the snippet of the code over to the right, so the Python script, and on the left, that is just the Dynamo like text. If you were to open up a Dynamo file, a DYN, in a text viewer, then that's what you would see. So I took all of that text, copied it into ChatGPT, and it actually outputted something really useful. But with images, it makes it way easier. You can tell somebody, hey, post an image, and now they can create the scripts. All right, so on the left, there's the Draw.io snippet that just says, hey, get all the walls, and then update the mark value with unique numbers, and then return a list of elements. And then on the right, we have got ChatGPT. I'm going to paste the image in there. I'm going to write a question. So, create me some Python code from this flowchart, and then it's going to generate a response. Um, Typically what I'll do is if I use it for developing code is I'll put in my question or a little function or whatnot and say, hey, this is what I'm looking for, can you create it? And it might take some back and forth of refactoring it, saying, hey, I got this error. Some of it, it's like I know what to fix, and then some of it's like it's quicker just to paste it back into ChatGPT, and then you've got an output. So but if you get used to that workflow, it's pretty quick. I mean, you can build things incredibly fast. All right, so if we highlight the walls, we'll see there's nothing in the mark value. This Python script's going to update the mark value. That's what was in the flowchart. With one, just refactoring a little bit, we were able to get the code working, and just one error, copy pasted it, and then now we've got the mark value updated in the walls. So as like a proof of concept, I mean, really, this works. I haven't tried it on more advanced things yet. But it'll be interesting to see how this evolves and if more people start to use this kind of method when it comes to creating applications. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, if you're using like a workflow like this, similar to it, I'd love to hear it below. So definitely comment. And if you want to join the community, the Discord link's here. It's also in the description. And if you want to support the channel, the Patreon link is here, and it's also in the description as well. But anyways, thanks for watching. And one more thing, the transcript for ChatGPT will be in GitHub along with all the other sample files. So check those out if you want. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.